My name is Dalifa Hassan and I'm a student at KGSA. So to avoid those diseases, we have to use clean water since it keeps us away from those diseases. As you know, Kibera is not a very clean place. It has been polluted with so many things like paper bags. There are many sewages. So even the pipes are passing through the sewages. So most of the time the water is contaminated. So it's hard to get clean water in Kibera. Also there are some places, if you can find clean water, you only find it at one spot, and it takes a lot of effort for people from different places to get clean water. So as for me, the clean water will change my life. Maybe I'll be safe from diseases, and not only me, but my family will also be safe from diseases, and most especially the community, which we call Kibera, will also be free from diseases.
What if we were able to build a borehole here in Kibera and offer free water?
That would be a great offer, and God will bless you forever, because that will help many people in Kibera who are suffering from cholera. And if you go to the hospitals like Kenyatta, if you see the high percentage of people who are suffering from cholera, the high percentage is from Kibera. So if you do that, you'll have helped many people, and that will maybe enhance the development of Kibera, because that due to those diseases, the place is really untidy. If you build a borehole in Kibera, I'll feel happy, because I'll be at peace knowing that my community is not at any risk of being affected with any diseases that will affect their lives.
How do you and your family get water?
We get water from many taps around Kibera, just in some parts of Kibera. We use wheelbarrows